Hey my loves, welcome back to your cozy little corner of the internet. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we're diving into something every student secretly wants to know: how to actually study like an A+ student. No all-nighters, no panic sessions, no drinking 3 cups of coffee at midnight. Yup, been there too. Whether you're trying to level up this school year or just want to feel more confident and calm while studying, this video is your soft, safe space for that. Let's romanticize our study sessions, get smarter with our habits, and glow up academically, one cute step at a time. So let's start our video. Romanticize your study routine, make your desk cozy, light a candle, and turn studying into a vibe. Plan smart, not perfect. Use a cute planner or app to break tasks into small, doable steps. Keep distractions out of sight. One scroll turns into 10, so hide the phone. Start with the hardest task first. Your brain is freshest at the beginning. Avoid multitasking. Give one subject your full attention and you'll finish faster. Use active recall. Test yourself with flashcards or teach the topic out loud instead of just rereading. Prioritize sleep. Rest is part of the process, not a reward. Stay consistent. Small daily effort beats once-a-week marathons. Write it, don't just read it. Your brain remembers better when you do something with the info. Study with purpose, not pressure. Don't just study to pass, study to understand. Drink water while you study. Your brain needs hydration to stay sharp. Track your progress. Checking off goals feels so satisfying and keeps you going. Don't compare your pace to others. Your journey is yours, not a race. Don't fear mistakes. Getting things wrong means your brain is actively learning. Use gentle affirmations. Remind yourself, I'm learning, and that's enough today. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. And don't forget to like, sub and share if you vibe with it.